Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Jackie and I am back with another video. Okay, so as you can see, I've already primed my eyes and I've done so with the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. And that first color that I'm putting down is out of the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I'll have the exact names of those shades that I'm using today in the description box below. So normally I do one eye and then film the other eye, but in this situation I'm gonna do both eyes on camera. So once I've built up my transition to my liking, I'm gonna start working on my crease. And that shade that I'm using is also out of the Masquerade palette, which I will have that shade listed below as well. Okay, so now I'm going into my Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes palette and I'm picking up that shade Devoted and I'm working that shade into my crease and slightly bringing that shade up. I am going to be cutting the crease, so I still want that color to show. So as you can see, I'm going back in and I'm just picking up those shades that I've previously placed and I'm just going to touch up wherever it's needed. And quite naturally, what I've done to the other eye, I'm going to do to this eye. So it's the exact same process. We want this eye to look identical to the other. So now I'm taking that Creamy Beige concealer and I'm cutting the crease. And I'm doing so with my Morphe, I believe it's the 421 brush. I'll have that listed below in the description box for you. And for the sake of time, because it takes so long to cut the crease, I did speed this process up. And I cut the crease on my other eye off camera. Otherwise, this video would have been super long. Okay, so now that I've cut the crease on both eyes, I'm going back into Devoted, and I'm just going to smoke that out. And all the colors that I used, I'm going to just do it in reverse now. So it'll be Devoted and then the 2 shades from the Masquerade palette that I used right after. Okay, now I'm placing my loose pigments, and this pigment I got from JLarue Cosmetics, and it's called White Gold. And when I tell you, this is so pretty, like absolutely gorgeous. I did spray my brush only because this was my first time using it and I wasn't sure if it was going to stick, but you don't need to wet your brush at all. You don't need any glue. It sticks. It looks great. It's the best. It's worth every penny. Now I'm just, once again, just touching up those shades, making sure that they're deep enough and blending them in so that they fade right into each other. So I did my eyeliner off camera, and I did not apply a wing this time. I only took it to the end of my eye. And what I'm doing now is going into the Morphe 35V palette, and I'm picking up that shade Little Black Book, which is like a black. It's a very deep black, and I'm just smoking out that corner right from where I stopped the eyeliner, so you won't be able to see exactly where the eyeliner ends. It's just smoky in that area. Okay, so now it's onto the face, and it's my normal routine. I did put my foundation on first. I did not film that, but the foundation that I used was the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and again my color is Toffee. And now I'm just highlighting with the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan and blending that out. And then I'm going to set it with the Sasha Cosmetic Buttercup setting powder. Okay guys, I don't know if you noticed it or not, but these lashes were giving me such a hard time. That's probably one reason why I did not film me putting them on. But once I got them on, it looked like one of my eyes just looked totally different from the other. So I really think they was just too big for my eyes. I don't know, but they looked really cute in the picture, so excuse my lashes. So as usual, I am going into my favorite palette. It's the Black Radiance True Complexion palette, and I'm just warming up my face. Not really doing too much to it because my eyes are so dramatic and I just don't want to be like overdone. So yeah, just warming up the face so that it doesn't look so flat. So now I'm just setting my face with my MAC Mineralzed Skinfinish in Dark. And I have to set my face every time I do my makeup because my face is super oily. That's probably why I have to use the Milk of Magnesia every time. I just don't want to look like a grease face by the end of the day. So that is why I always prime and set my face. So now I'm just applying the shadows that I put on my lid. I'm just applying those same shades to my lower lash line. And the blush that I'm applying now is by MAC and it's called Format. I absolutely love this blush. It's so natural looking. It has like a little bit of a sparkle in it, so you get that glow. But yeah, it goes with almost any look that you're going for. And now I'm just applying my MAC Gold Deposit highlighter, and then I'm gonna top that with the Black Radiance Artisan Baked Bronzer in Flawless. Applying my lip liner, and this is the Jordana. Jordana is the best lip liner. It glides on so easy and the colors are so rich. So yeah, this is the Coco Loco that I am lining my lips with, and then I'm gonna pair it with the Victoria's Secret liquid color in the shade Innocence. Okay, now so I'm just setting my face with my rose water setting spray and pressing that makeup into my skin. And that concludes my look, ladies. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.